Everyone, my name is Varsan from Enlighten Properties. Today I'm showing you one of the best one-bedroom apartment in brand new building. This is called Bluebell. So here is like your living area. This is the kitchen with appliances, and you have this is like your living area. So it's like two bathroom. Let me show you the first bathroom. This is your bathroom, and you know what is the style. This is a mirror style of the door. This is like your master bathroom. Here's like your bedroom, the walk-in closet. There's a huge cabinet here. So stay tuned for more video, and the price I will mention in the description.